Hello and welcome to our launch video. I'm Harsh
I'm Ashutosh.
and we are the co-founders of Makenica. We are happy and excited to announce the launch of our new and improved Makenica Console. From the very beginning, we had always believed that getting your custom parts manufactured should be as easy as using an online platform like AWS.
Yeah. Now with 8 years of experience in our learnings, we are proud to launch our latest digital manufacturing platform. It encompasses every learning that we had with you guys over the last 8 years, making it more versatile. Be it you are a 3D printing enthusiast, whether you are a startup just starting up, or whether you are a corporate company. Our platform is designed in such a way that it has something to offer for everybody out there.
Yeah, and it's not just to get quotes and place order, but also to discover new options and manufacturing possibilities for your product so that you can make better decisions for it.
Yeah. And we understand how important for you to get real-time updates on your orders. This is why we have integrated our factory floor update system right into the heart of Makenica's console. This allows you, with just a click of a button, you can always be informed where exactly your order is going on.
Yeah, and you can check out the platform yourself. It's live on Makenica.com, and it's just the beginning. There are a lot of new features down the roadmap, so stay tuned for that.
And finally, we would like to extend a heartfelt thank you for everybody who has been a well-wisher for Makenica, our clients, our employees, our suppliers. This journey wouldn't be half as enjoyable as it is today because of you guys.
Yeah, and their trust and encouragement has really made this possible, and we can't wait for what's next.
Absolutely.
Thank you.